Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to import GA4 conversions into Google Ads. The first thing you need to do is to link Google Ads and GA4. So go to Google Ads, go to Tools and Settings, click on Link Accounts and click on Details. Then find your GA4 property and click Link. Then go to GA4, go to Admin, click on Google Ads Links and click on Link. Then the Google account, add the account you want to link. Once you're done with this, let's enable auto tagging in Google Ads. Now go into Tools and Settings, click on Measurement and click on Conversions. Make sure auto tagging is enabled. The next thing is to import GA4 conversions into Google Ads. In Google Ads, go to Tools and Settings, click on Measurement, click on Conversions, and click on New. Click on Import. Select Google Analytics 4 properties. After selecting the property and desired conversion, click Import and Continue. Next step is to edit and track. You can edit the imported conversions like the name counting agencies in Google Ads. You can track their performance in Google Ads campaigns. That's it. I'm going to give you some important tips. Number one, there may be slight differences between GA4 and Google Ads conversion numbers due to different attribution models and data processing times. And to track cross-device conversion, enable Google Signals in your GA4 property. You will need native Google Ads conversion tracking for view-through conversions. By following these steps, you can effectively import GA4 conversions into Google Ads and gain valuable insights into your ad campaign's performance. Hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.